Welcome to Marketing Automation Basics, your guide to understanding how technology can transform your marketing efforts. Marketing automation uses specialized software to streamline and automate repetitive marketing tasks across various channels, enhancing efficiency and personalizing customer experiences at scale. This powerful approach frees marketers from mundane tasks, allowing them to focus on strategic planning and creative initiatives. At its core, marketing automation software collects customer data from interactions like website visits, email clicks, and social media engagement. This data then triggers designated marketing tasks through workflows, which are essentially sets of instructions for automating specific actions. A typical workflow includes a trigger, an event that starts the automation, conditions, rules controlling the path, and actions, the automated tasks themselves. Triggers can be time-based, like sending a follow-up email 24 hours after sign-up, or action-based, such as a customer making a purchase. Common triggers include new sign-ups, form submissions, website visits, email opens, and even cart abandonment. Conditions allow for different paths within a workflow. For instance, checking if a contact opened a previous email can lead to varied follow-up messages. Actions are the automated tasks themselves, like sending emails or SMS messages, updating contact fields, adding tags, or posting to social media. The marketing automation market is experiencing significant growth, valued at $6.65 billion in 2024 and projected to reach $15.62 billion by 2030, with an annual growth rate of 15.3%. Companies see an impressive average return of $5.44 for every dollar spent on marketing automation, highlighting its financial impact. Furthermore, businesses implementing marketing automation often report a 451% increase in qualified leads, demonstrating its effectiveness in lead generation. Marketing automation can automate diverse tasks across channels, including email, social media, SMS, and websites. This includes automating welcome emails, abandoned cart reminders, post-purchase follow-ups, and personalized campaigns. It also allows for scheduling social media posts, automating lead nurturing drip campaigns, and segmenting customers for targeted content. Key benefits include increased efficiency, improved lead nurturing, enhanced personalization, and better customer journeys. You also gain data-driven decision-making, scalability for your marketing efforts, and significant cost reduction. Among the many platforms available, Go High Level stands out as an all-in-one solution designed specifically for agencies and service-based businesses. It combines CRM, email and SMS marketing, funnel builders, scheduling, and reputation management, all within a single platform. HubSpot is another comprehensive platform, integrating CRM, marketing, sales, and customer service tools seamlessly. Its Marketing Hub allows for personalized workflows, targeted emails, social media connections, and robust campaign performance analysis. By understanding these fundamentals, you can effectively implement marketing automation to enhance your campaigns, improve customer engagement, and drive significant business growth. Embrace the power of automation to unlock new levels of efficiency and success in your marketing endeavors.